Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. I'm very happy to have this opportunity to give my presentation today. It is truly an honor to be here and to introduce a meaningful innovation that's connect faith, learning, and technology. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Ahmad Muhajir. I am CEO PT Bumi Tauhid Indonesia. Today, I will proudly introduce a new innovation in learning and understanding the Quran, especially for beginners, the Al-Quran Duo Latin. Al-Quran Duo Latin. Well, let's begin by understanding why this Al-Quran Duo Latin was developed. We all know that the Quran is the holy book of Muslim, a divine quote that brings peace, wisdom, and direction to life. However, not everyone can read the Quran fluently in Arabic. Many beginners struggle to read the Al-Quran in Arabic correctly. They often find it difficult to recognize Al-Quran letters or pronounce tense correctly. Young Muslim, new learners, or even adults want to recognize why the Quran faces this challenge. Nowadays, we can find many people who want to learn to read the Quran but don't know where to start. They might not have access to teacher or they feel shy to ask for help. Therefore, a simple, clear, and help medium is needed to support this learning process. That is the reason behind the creation of Al-Quran Duo Latin. This Al-Quran is designed specially for beginners, for those who are not fluent in reading the Arabic script, and for those who have learning both styles struggle with pronunciation. Today, I will share about the background, the feature, and the benefit of the Al-Quran Duo Latin. My presentation will be divided into several main parts. First, we have discussed the background of why this Al-Quran Duo Latin was developed. Next, I will explain the main feature and system of this innovation Quran, how it's work and what makes it's unique. Then I will show you the key feature in detail, demonstrating how each feature help learning, read and understanding Al-Quran better, and finally I will conclude with how this innovation can support the learning process for Muslims worldwide. Now, let's move to the most important part, the key feature of Al-Quran Duo Latin. This is what makes our Al-Quran truly special and different from other. First feature, Duo Latin translation system. As the name suggests, Duo Latin means it contains two Latin translation under each Arabic word. Let me explain how this works. Under every Arabic letter, you will two types of Latin text. The Latin follows the official translation system, say but the Kementerian Agama. This is the standard translation. Nah, the Black Latin represent how the Quran is actually pronounced when recited by expert reciters following tajweed or rules. Now, let me give you a clear example. Text the phrase. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif Lam Mim. Nah, you will see 6 Latin letter underneath. This means you shall read it for 6 harokat. Beats similarly, when you see mim, it also has 6 Latin letters with the letter E referred 6 times. You should read it for 6 harokat as well. This is the beauty of your system with Al-Quran Dua Latin. Beginners can immediately start reading the Quran correctly. Literally in just 1 second. They don't need to guess how long to hold a sound or how to pronounce it. Everything is clearly shown through the number of Latin letters. Second feature, Tajweed easy for code system. However, another amazing feature, not only can you read the Quran, but you can also immediately identify with Tajweed rules application. How next Alif Lam Mim. You also notice its colors in pink. About it, the code text say Sigfan MLZ. What do Sigfan MLZ mean? This is what we call the Tajweed easy for code system. Let me break it down for you. Sig read for 6 harokat, Fan read long MLZ, the Tajweed is Mad Lazim. You can find all these codes on reference care includes in the Quran. So every time you see color and a code, you immediately know how long to read it, how to read it, and what's the Quran rules. It's that simple. Nah, terus putur QR code for Murotal video. Which this is. But we don't stop here. Expect include a QR code barcode for Murotal video. When you scan this QR codes, it will take you directly a video of a professional reference reading expert fake. Imagine how helpful this is. Beginners can listen to the correct recitation while following along in read Quran. They can see the next, see the color, see the Latin translation, and hear how it's sound or sound. All at the same time. The combination of visual and auditory learning creates a powerful and effective learning expression. So feature Tajweed introduction box. Tajweed introduction box. In the Urfex, the Quran, this is Tajweed introduction box. This box contains the name of its Tajweed rules, clear example from the Quran, detailed explanation. So even if you learning of your outs without a teacher, you have a complete reference guide right in front of you. 5 photos QR code for Tajweed learning videos. And has the best part, there's also a QR code for Tajweed learning videos. This is exclusive for those to push the Al-Quran Duo Latin from Bumi Tauhid. When you scan this QR video, and you get access for 18 complete Tajwid learnings video. This video explain as Tajwid rules step by step in interactive and visual formats. You can watch this video anytime, anywhere, and your phone, tablet, or computer. You even, if you don't have a teacher net you, and you can still learn how to read and recite the Quran powerfully towards this video. The summary the Al-Quran Duo Latin offers. Duo Latin transliteration for read standard, black for actual pronunciation. Tajwid easy for code system, color code, and simple codes to identify Tajwid rules instantly. QR code for Murotal videos, listen to professional, recitation fact by fact. Tajwid introduction box, complete reference, guide why names, example, and explanation. Extend exclusive Tajwid learning video, combination video lesson accessibly via QR code. With all these features combined, Al-Quran Duo Latin becomes not just a French Quran, but a complete learning system that helps you read, listen, understanding, and improve your Quran recitation. Al-Quran Duo Latin makes Quran learning easier, clear, and more inspiring for everyone. This your vision and mission. We believe that's everyone. This is the opportunity to connect with the Quran. Here's the backgrounds of flavor of Arabic's proficiency. Al-Quran Duo Latin is not just a product, it is bridge the connects traditional Quran reading with modern technology. Beginners with the words of Allah, student with effective learning tools, and ultimately heart with divine queens. Throughout this innovation, we hope to make Quran learning accessibly, enjoyably, and meaningful for Muslims around the world. Finally, let me summarize that we have discussed today. We started by talking about the background, the challenge that many beginners face when learning to read the Quran in Arabic. Then we explored the unique feature of Quran Duo Latin, the Duo Latin translation system that you saw both standard and actual pronunciation, the Tajwid easy for code system with color codes for instant identification of Tajwid rules, QR codes for Murotal, allowing learners to listen to professional recitation, the Tajwid introduction box with comprehensive explanation, and extend exclusive Tajwid learning videos for complete guidance. From all that has been explained, we can conclude that Al-Quran Duo Latin is practical and innovative solution for those who want to learn the Quran from the very beginners. It connects traditional Quran reading with modern. It connects traditional Quran reading with modern technology, making it easier, clear, and more enjoyable. It does reflect teacher, but it help learning prefer before or after lesson, anytime and anywhere. That's all for my presentation today. Thanks you very much for your attention, and I hope this innovation can be useful contribution for all Muslim you wish to get closer the Quran. For more information, please feel free to contact us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.